Shalom Aleichem, my Assyrian dishes friends. As you all probably know that we're under quarantine and we're all under self-isolation. And if you're bored and you've got nothing else to do, so I'm going to start gardening. We're in March in Canada right now, and it's the best time to start growing your seeds indoors. When it's May or June, I'm going to start potting them outside in the containers. So I'm going to show you what I do to start potting them up. Just adding the hot water now to sterilize the soil to kill off all the bacteria. Mix it all up. Next thing we're going to do is add the 1/4 cup of the worm castings and mix it all together. Add 2 teaspoons of the neem oil just to sterilize the soil. Mix it all together. Now I'm going to start potting little containers with the soil. I've already sterilized and sanitized them with that neem oil solution that I did in the gardening videos, and I've just let them to dry. I'm gonna pot them up with the soil, just up to there. I'll finish doing all of them. Potted up 3 rectangle pans. These are ones going to be for spring onions, lettuce and parsley, the rest for the other vegetables. So this is my second time in growing my own vegetables. Last year was my first time and I loved it. I thought it was going to be hard, but going through the steps that I had watched videos from YouTube and learning how to grow your own vegetables and asking friends and relatives like Moses from his YouTuber friend in Fresno, California, and my cousins like Shada and Nada in Arizona, and yeah, I started growing my own vegetables, and it was the best thing that I could do. And growing your own vegetables, knowing what's going in there organically and making them in your own recipes. These are a couple of seeds that I'm going to be growing. Beefsteak tomatoes, green peppers, red pepper, orange pepper, yellow peppers. I love peppers. Marigold is a flower, and sunflowers to get the bees around. Got spring onions, lettuce and parsley. So I've just finished seeding them all, planting all the seeds in here. I'm going to start planting cucumbers in a pot probably about a month before I need to plant them outside. Radishes I'm going to plant outside next month, and broccoli also. I'm going to spray them with the neem oil. Sprinkle them with some cinnamon powder to fight fungus and mildew. These are my little babies in my grow light box. I'm going to keep them here under the heat mat until they sprout up, and I'll keep you updated. I hope you enjoyed my video starting my vegetables. I hope you start growing them also. I'm going to come back in about a week. I'm going to put them under the grow light box and feed them some water in the trays every day or every couple of days once the water is absorbed, and I'll let you know as soon as they sprout. See you later everyone. Happy gardening.